Hi, this is a LibGuide for American politics in the 1960s. There's a lot going on in this decade, so this LibGuide was created to help organize the information on the various aspects of politics during this era. The LibGuide will focus primarily on the civil rights movement, the Vietnam and Cold Wars, and the United States government in general. The homepage here will provide you with some introductory information. The CQ Almanac and Academic Search Premier will probably be two decent places to start your research, especially CQ Almanac if you want to just search by individual years during the 1960s. You can see what legislation was coming out every year of that decade. Here are a few books that will just give you some general perspective on the political culture and nature of this decade. The next tab we have over here are our primary sources. As you can see, it's all categorized by government, civil rights, and the Vietnam and Cold Wars. So whatever aspect of this decade that you're trying to explore, just look for those terms, and the resources under it will be the ones you need. We also have an interview over here with a Vietnam veteran because interviews are also important primary sources. Next, we have journals and periodicals. On the left, we have some sources and access to scholarly content. And then on the right, we have periodicals. Up top are just the general periodical resources, and then in this box we have the civil rights periodical resources. The next tab we have over here are just a general collection of books, again categorized between the civil rights and power movements, the Vietnam and Cold Wars, and then just general further reading. All nonfiction, some just covering general topics, but a lot of them, as you can see, refer to important figures during this time. And then the final tab we have is the reference tab, where you can find encyclopedias and dictionaries, atlases and almanacs, and directories. So that is the LibGuide on American politics in the 1960s. I hope you find it helpful.